Consolidating an old retirement account into a Schwab IRA gives you more control and investment choice. A direct rollover is the key to avoiding taxes and penalties. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, open a Schwab IRA, traditional or Roth, matching your old 401k. Then, contact Schwab's rollover specialists. They can provide the specific transfer instructions and forms for your old 401k provider. You want a direct rollover, where the check is made payable to Charles Schwab and Company, Inc. FBO, your name, IRA. This ensures the money never touches your hands, avoiding withholding taxes. My crucial pro tip: ask about a potential bonus for bringing assets. Schwab occasionally offers cash incentives for rolling over a large 401k balance. It never hurts to ask a consultant if any promotional offers are available when you initiate the process. Take control of your retirement savings and potentially get paid to do it. How many old 401k accounts have you consolidated over your career? For more retirement planning guides, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.